It's a new one popping up now. That's a fresh one. Damn cool. Bird of paradise. Mimicking a bird. There's a new one popping up now. It'll open up in about 2 weeks after this one's done. 3 in a row. That one's done. Then this one popped up. And then that one will be next. It's finally blooming. And then this crazy flower here. I don't even know what these plants are, but they're pretty wicked looking, I guess. I don't know. We'll be redoing this whole front part here soon. Right now it's just a bed, but I sprayed everything out because everything was covered with weeds. And then that's going to be a new project. That's going to be my new somewhat of a bonsai is what I'm going to try to do with it. It's a bougainvillea and it was all overgrown. I cut it all the way back and it's starting to pop back out. A little turtle.